Hello, my people. Another episode of Make Homemade Juice with me. You see this can with this so now juice dey inside. I go lie for you. Now homemade juice na dey inside, made from home. You go know the quantity of sugar, you go know what you dey drink. No be those jeji wey they give us for supermarkets. You see the juice when the fruit when they use. I don't wash the bowl. I want wash all the fruits like say tomorrow not day. Wash the apple, carrot, wash the life out of it. You see I go scrape am. I go wash am thoroughly. Wash am again for the second time. Wash am. Now I don begin dey cut am. Dey cut am into small pieces so that make e fit enter inside the juicer so that e go juice everything juiceable. So my people, na so I take dey make am for house. So I no dey like to dey buy all those jeji wey people still dey drink. Na so one day I buy a juice. I turn am for cup. The thing be like water wey dey put flavour. My sister, na those ones so person dey drink. Na nyama I go lie for you again. See now I don wash the pineapple, wash am with kitchen rag, wash am. Now I don begin dey cut am. Na so I go still take cut the watermelon, cut everything into small pieces wey e go fit take enter inside the juicer. So na so my people. So right away I don begin dey cut the watermelon. I go still cut this one into smaller pieces. I go cut am make e be say everything go small. Me sef go still chop. Who dey work dey chop. I go still try am make I see whether e sweet. This watermelon e really nice, e really sweet. So I don begin dey transfer am into the bowl. You see everything I don cut them into small pieces. I don wash am again. I don cut this one again. I don cut this one again. So I go begin dey transfer them into the juicer so that make e bring out the original juice made from home, like for house, no be supermarket own, no be shara cambia. This one na the original one. When you go drink, e go dey where for your body go relax, e go make you fresh, e go make you be like 10 years old pikin. Your nyash go soft like say tomorrow no dey. This juice na one of the best. You know say me I dey bring una correct things wey I know say e no go burnt una, e no go spoil anything for body. E go make you dey fresh, go make you dey robustic. You understand now? So you see all the juice wey I don make for today. You see am now. I go begin dey transfer the juice into the can, put am for fridge. For this summer, you dey come back from work, you dey go work, you go put one for inside bag, you go drink am, your body go make wele. Oh, this juice e too sweet. Try am make you thank me. Drink better juice for body. I go lie for you again. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and follow for more. Bye.